Are your wishes known if something were to happen to you? Do you know all of your account passwords if you were incapacitated and someone needed to access? Have you made decisions to make sure your children and or your pets are taken care of if you were to die unexpectedly? Would you like to give the gift of peace of mind for loved ones so they can grieve instead of searching for papers or figuring out what you would have wanted? The top two reasons of people surveyed on why they don't do end of life planning are they hadn't gotten around to it, 47%, and they don't have enough assets to leave to anyone, 29%. Organizing for end of life is so much more than your material assets. Many people avoid end of life healthcare planning as well. If you don't make decisions, then someone else might make choices for you that go against your wishes. Planning and organizing all of your documents will save you money when you consult with professionals, as well as allow you to make decisions that are best for you and your family. Our 2-hour class is Saturday, July 23rd, noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific time. We have an hour of class followed by an hour of group coaching to answer all your questions. Find more information in the link below. Are you ready to have peace of mind by preparing for end of life? We hope to see you there.